Some of you have asked what I have done to protect myself against an ever-failing electrical grid. I have installed a portable generator that feeds electricity to my home. As you can see, it's a large piece of property with a high electrical demand. This generator cannot supply the electricity I need to power everything, but it will power my necessities: my refrigerator, my freezer, my microwave, internet service, television, all my lights, and other items that I find necessary. It will not support a refrigerated air conditioner. I can live without it. I have many ceiling fans to take the place. This is an 8,000 watt generator. It has a 12,000 watt, I believe it's a 10,000 watt startup capacity. I keep it hooked up at all times. The green plug is my extension cable to the house. The gray hose is to natural gas. Why did I choose natural gas, you ask? Because natural gas is readily available at a reasonable 80 cents an hour for me, compared to gasoline at $5 an hour and propane at something less than that. And besides, both propane and gasoline require storage and availability and going out and filling up tanks, period. This cable connects to a switch, I should say a plug, that I mark with white dots, because there are multiple ways that you can try and plug it in, which can be frustrating in the dark, so I mark them. It goes back about 40 feet to the generator. I like the generator where it is because the barbecue and the wall deaden the noise. This electrical connection goes down the wall to my main breaker panel. It feeds this manual transfer switch that in turn feeds this breaker panel. One simply has to turn these switches to the up position to go from the power company, which is known as line, to the generator. It's as simple as that. I keep it covered at all times with this cover, which I've taken off for expediency of this video. I hope I've given you a little insight on how I have done this. The one thing I'd like to caution you about is do not backfeed your breaker panel with the generator to an existing plug in the house. You will see this done on YouTube. I do not suggest doing it. It can be dangerous and cost you in damage. To install that manual switch down there, I suggest you hire an electrician, which I did. That manual transfer switch, including the labor and material to install the plug, the cable to my generator, the cost of the generator, the cost of a trickle charger to keep the generator fully charged, probably ran me less than $4,000 total. Cheap peace of mind. I hope this has been helpful.